Emad, in celebration of your retirement from the U.S. Army, Sergeant Half-Mast presents you with this Christmas ornament. Recall that Sergeant Half-Mast is the cartoon character from the Army's Preventive Maintenance comic book series. Along with this Sergeant Half-Mast ornament, Velcroed is a naughty list of some of your team members, as well as a little tech manual that many folks contributed to that has little buzz phrases, little stories that you might remember during your time at TARDEC. As well as a pile of dog tags that have game cards. If you remember the TARDEC Works game that was made, that had all these little stories on it. I'll show some examples after this, but anyone who didn't get to see this ornament presentation in person can comment on this video with some words for Emad.